Now the other three muscles left into the deeper compartment of the flexor. And here we see this one. Can you see this 4-digit superficialis has also intermingled with these 4 digits coming from the downside, and this is nothing but flexor digitorum profundus. So this one is flexor digitorum profundus. We know that profundus means deep, so this sternum is deeper, and this one is superficialis. So flexor digitorum superficialis and flexor digitorum profundus. This is thumb, and in the thumb, upper limb is known as pollicis. So here we would meet flexor pollicis, longus tendon, and here is this tendon. Okay, this is the muscle flexor pollicis longus. We separate and then we reach up to the deepest part, and you can appreciate a brown structure quadrangular muscle present over here in this region, and that is prunatus quadratus.